Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the median in Google Sheet. First, open Google Sheet. I have already prepared a table for this example. Method 1. Click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear. Now click on Function. Then select All. Scroll down and find the median function. Click on Median and the formula will appear in the cell. Now select all the data for which you want to calculate the median and press enter. You can now see the median value as the result. In method 2, you can also calculate the median by typing the formula directly. Type is equal to median, parenthesis, then select all the data you want to include, typing the closing bracket and click on enter. The median value will be displayed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.